2 board-certified doctors, your hair loss and menopause questions, Zero Filter Live.
Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern, just us and you.
Okay, I'm actually kind of nervous about this one.
Nervous? Why are you nervous, Dr. Samantha?
Because there's no editing. It's live. Anything can happen.
Just how I like it.
See, this is what I mean.
Anything can happen. Anyways, yes, there is no editing, which means that you need to throw your comments in here so we can be ready to answer your questions.
It's Hair Loss Awareness Month, so we're going live and we're taking your questions in real time.
And this isn't just menopause, we're talking hair loss at every stage of life. Your 20s, postpartum, your 50s, all of it.
And also hair growth secrets, the stuff that actually works.
Even general wellness questions, because so much of what's happening in your scalp starts with what's happening inside your body. Your hair health journey is a whole body journey.
And we want to talk it through with you.
So here's how to play. Drop your questions in the comments now and make sure you're live to see if your question gets picked and answered on the spot.
So invite your friends. Seriously, bring everybody.
Friends, family, whatever. And do your homework. Watch all of our videos so you come ready with good questions.
Oh, and one more thing.
What's that? What's the one more thing? I thought we said everything. They have to comment, they have to watch our videos, we have to answer their questions.
A giveaway.
Oh, we forgot the most important thing. We are giving away hair products. But you've got to be there and show some love, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Share it, tag, mail it, sign, seal, deliver. I don't care. Just make sure everybody knows about it.
And that's how you get into the big giveaway. The more love you show, the better.
Remember, Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern, drop your questions, share this around, bring your friends, and meet us there. And let's see what happens.
I'm gonna regret this.
No, you won't.